What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a used 2018 Nissan Titan PRO-4X four-wheel drive that's still under factory warranty. It's got the magnetic black exterior with black interior. It comes in at 26,260 miles, is a one-owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. It's got the 5.6-liter V8 engine that gets 390 horsepower, 15 mpg in the city, 20 on the highway. It's got the off-road skid plates, trailer hitch receiver, 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, blind spot sensors, Bluetooth, backup camera, power sliding rear window with Defogger, Rockford Fosgate audio system with 12 speakers, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a used 2018 Nissan Titan PRO-4X four-wheel drive.